Kamusta mga balibulista? Wagi ang Litran Knights kontra sa San Sebastian Stags 25-13, 22-25, 23-25, 25-19, 17-15. Best player of the game si Ryle Santa Maria sa likod ng kanyang 20 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, pinatawag ng Litran Lady Knights ang San Sebastian Lady Stags 25-20, 25-27, 20-25, 25-12, 15-9. Best player of the game si Ian Martin sa likod ng kanyang 11 points mula sa 11 attacks na may kasamang 4 excellent digs at 3 excellent receptions. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of May 8, 2024. Perpetual Altas 9 wins 0 loss. AEC Generals 8 wins 1 loss. Litran Knights 6 wins 3 losses. Arellano Chiefs 5 wins 4 losses. Binel Blizzards 4 wins 5 losses. San Beda Red Spikers 4 wins 5 losses. San Sebastian Stags 4 wins 5 losses. Mapua Cardinals 3 wins 6 losses. GRU Heavy Bombers 2 wins 7 losses. Lyceum Pirates 0 win 9 losses. Heto naman ang team standings ng Women's Division as of May 8, 2024. Binel Lady Blizzards 9 wins 0 loss. Litran Lady Knights 7 wins 2 losses. Lyceum Lady Pirates 6 wins 3 losses. Arellano Lady Chiefs 6 wins 3 losses. Mapua Lady Cardinals 6 wins 3 losses. Perpetual Lady Altas 5 wins 4 losses. San Beda Lady Red Spikers 3 wins 6 losses. San Sebastian Lady Stags 2 wins 7 losses. GRU Lady Bombers 1 win 8 losses. AEC Lady Generals 0 win 9 losses. Heto naman ang step ladder game schedule ng Women's Division ngayong May 12, 2024. Maglalaban ng Arellano Lady Chiefs kontra sa LPU Lady Pirates alas 12 ng tanghali. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.